from Phoenix TV. Today we're going to do an unboxing of 4 puzzles. We have the Chi Warrior W, the Chi Valk 4M, the Chi Valk 2M, and the YJ Upo 2x2M. It's actually the V2. Let's get started off with the Upo. Easy packaging. There is obviously a little booklet. I don't really care about booklets. There is the packaging. Onto the cube. Oh god. Okay, nice shades and everything. Got the little logo. Those turns. Yeah, it does turn nice. Here. You do a little quick solve on it. My hands are a bit sore though. PLL skip 4.19. Anyways, so turning off this, I don't know, to compare it with my Valk, not my Valk, my MGC. I feel like it might be equal. That's currently in my room right now, so I just can't show it. What about the internals? How do they look? Okay. I don't know why, to me they look similar to the usual Magic. Same with the actual, I don't know to be honest. Fascinating little mechanism. Anyways, corner cutting, let me see on that if I can get this piece back in. Okay, there we go, got it back in. See, I feel like it might be better, but yeah, now let's do an actual solve on it. I think I corner twisted that. Oh yeah, corner cutting. 45, easy, okay, what about reverse? Probably more like 15, I don't know. Okay. Too great, 544. Anyways, that's the YJ Upo. Next puzzle, the Chi Warrior W. I haven't even got this puzzle yet. Apparently it's really good. And yes, it definitely is. It's kind of loud, you might not be able to hear me. So yeah, I am normally averaging around like 15, so let's see about this. And also, budget cubes are normally meant to be great. Well, indeed, this is great. So let's do a quick solve. Oh god. Inspect. I think my hands are really sore today. I don't understand. What's the mechanism like though? Yep, definitely similar as I expected to my Chi Sail W. Huh, that's cool. What about the corner stalks? Yep, the exact same. Except it doesn't have like these little, I don't know what these are when you close up. They don't have like this little like insertion like mechanism, I guess. I don't know. Corner cutting. Let's do that once I put this back together, which shouldn't be too hard. Just like, yep. Corner cutting, 45 degrees. Wow. So this being $7, that's actually really nice. Alright, reverse. Pretty much 15 maybe. Oh god. Let me do another solve on this. This will be hopefully a properly fast one. Is there any edge pairing there? What am I doing? Okay, 22. So yeah, that's the Chi Warrior W. Next is the Valk 2. Okay, this is fancy because this is a magnetic 2x2 image from Chi. Open this up. What's in here? We have got pictures of Matt's Valk and about his 4.74 record, which I already told about my Chi Sail W unboxing with also square, with also a square liner boxing as well. So yeah, I don't know why they still put his record there, but I guess he did get a world record, but world record now, as I said, is from Yusheng Du. Okay, there's the pictures. I'm not really going to do it to the Valk 4 because it's going to be pretty much the same exact thing, except with Valk 4 pictures and stuff. Open the package. Oh, that's stiff. Okay, first chance. Yep, definitely quiet, definitely smooth. That's nice. So solve here. Oh, that's one thing that I've noticed. There's easy corner twisting, which isn't great. But hopefully I can just fix that with tensioning and everything. One-handed is doing okay. What's the corner cutting? Apparently it's really good. Yep, definitely 45 degrees. We're actually even past. And what in the world? Okay, I don't know what just happened. The whole thing just locked up. Apparently, on Q4 Fly's channel, apparently there can be like some sort of internal. Oh, okay, I see. There can be like some sort of internal lock-up like this if I show you close up. So as you can see, the screw is like right in the middle here, where it should be like in the center. Yeah. That's a bit easy to fix though. But hopefully, if that happens, let's hope it doesn't go like a full turn. Like you move like that, otherwise it's gonna cause it many problems. Let's do a solve on this. Nice. I'll probably make this as my main, definitely, since pretty much my YJMGC is now retired because I've done like 5,000 souls with it. But even more than that, probably around like 10,000. Yeah, this turns really nice. Alright, what's the inverse corner cutting? Oh my god, seriously, no matter where I put it, it will just always cut. Even if I put it in the middle. This is a mental 2x2 to be able to corner cut that well. Nice. So another solve. That was easy. 2.4. Okay. Last and probably my favorite, the Valk 4. Same packaging as the Valk 2. Again, I will show you it anyway, so I'm just going to put this packaging all over here. Okay, the springs, the cloth set, and as expected, Valk 4 pitches. And the mat's Valk. It even comes in white. I don't think they should make white cubes anymore because they don't look good, but some people like it anyways though. I'll just put that back in. I might actually be able to put the whole thing back in. I'm not going to put this in though, oh god. Now to the actual puzzle. Valk 4. Let's compare it to my 460 real quick. This looks like better shades of turning. Oh yeah, that's definitely better than my 460. Inner layer definitely makes better like maneuver and stuff. The Valk the Ford just released a Valk 5 as well, which Q4 Pi also has. He might do a review on that soon. And oh god. And hopefully that'll be a good video. Anyways, let's do a solve on this. Actually, first corner cutting while I scramble it. Of course, big layer puzzles like this don't corner cut 45 degrees because they have so many more pieces, as you can see. That's quite good for a 4x4 though. Reverse. Yep, definitely good. Anyways, and even with inner layer corner cutting, yep, definitely good. Inverse, not too big. Okay, now we're gonna do a solve on this. 3, 2. close-off sub 1. Okay, what are the internal pieces like with this? Okay. One of these pieces came out. Center and corner. Okay, the corners look just like an average 4x4 would. Core. Same with the centers, just like my 460. I'll just show that right now up close. You can see why the center just looks exactly like my 460. If you guys have seen the internal of the 460 before. Same with the corners. Oh yes, and it does have the screw in the corner, and here is the edge. Oh yes, and same with this internal piece. Except with this internal piece, it doesn't have like these weird, crazy like bumps that are hanging out. It's just like a normal one. As you can possibly tell. Good. Now let's put this thing back together. Okay, got it back together. Let's do like full parity right now. Yeah, definitely 4 is better than my 460, as you can see. I would definitely recommend to buy any of these. Even this for a budget kit as well. This is really nice. And even this, if you're looking for a cheap 2x2, I would also recommend the MGC, because that's pretty much like the same price. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, peace out.